and that involves measuring pressures while this cap is on.
You had to show us that you were actually making progress in the schools and that you were measuring through data the improvements that were being made, that you were reaching into the schools that were hardest to reach, because there are about 2,000 schools around the country that account for the majority of dropouts in our country.
There's one thing, I don't know exactly how to describe it, but it's measuring toxicity in the oceans to see exactly how much progress students are making and how different schools are measuring up. So, nothing creates...
We're measuring the results of the executive order signed by the President on employment for people with disabilities.
And sometimes when I talk to college professors, and keep in mind I taught in a law school for 10 years, so I'm very sympathetic to the spirit of inquiry and the importance of not just looking at X's and O's and numbers when it comes to measuring colleges. But
do you understand that those that the public has changed in some way their view of you over this year?
But Julie, I guess what I'm saying is, if you're measuring this by polls, my polls have gone up and down a lot through the course of my career. I mean, we have to be rigorous in measuring what works.